Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I removed my tape-ins and right now my hair looks greasy and crazy because I actually put olive oil all in my hair, like all in the roots and everything, because the tape-ins residue is super sticky, and even when they remove it, that stickiness stays in there. Like even like when you try to wash your hair a ton of times, like it kind of stays in there. So one of you guys told me that when you get your tape-ins removed, you put olive oil in your hair and you let it sit for an hour. So that's what I'm doing. Thanks for the tip. And I actually think you are 100% correct, because as soon as I started massaging the olive oil like on my roots and like wherever the stickiness was, the stickiness started to go away. And nothing that I've tried in the past made it go away that quickly. Like, and the olive oil just broke it apart. So I'm gonna leave it in my hair for a little while, and then I'm gonna just wash my hair tonight, and I'll let you guys know how that method worked. But so far I truly believe your olive oil method works, because my hair feels already like 90% better after I put it in. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my hair, like I'm gonna do the color again, because the roots specifically need work. They're too light, and I just have like some gaps like in my hair because I did like strip the black off, so it wasn't like perfectly smooth one color. So that's basically what I'm gonna do tomorrow, is fix my color, and then later on in a couple of days we will do our tape-ins again and just be super extra. Oh, my hair looks so red. Every time I'm in a different clip in the vlog, my hair looks a different color. I feel like it's looking very red right now. So I'm gonna see if we can fix that today. I'm on my way to get my hair colored, but before that I'm gonna stop at this new place I've been dying to try. It's called the Raw Squeeze, I think it is. I'll double check and I'll tell you guys. But they make like acai bowls, they make raw juices, smoothies. So I'm gonna pick up a smoothie for me and my friend. This is a place right there. It's called the Raw Squeeze, and it's a natural juice lounge. You guys are probably like, bitch, did you want lighter hair? I'm done with my hair. It's pouring outside, so I just like air dried it a little bit. I don't want to get like a blowout or anything. But yeah, my hair is darker now. I know it probably, I feel like it looks black almost in the camera. Hold on, let me adjust you guys. But it's not. I did the color 4. Like black would have been number 1, and I did the color 4. But I did neutral. I did 4NN, which is like 4 neutral, I think. I don't know. But I did neutral so that it wouldn't be too warm, my color. But yeah, it looks very dark. But to be honest, I wanted to go a little bit darker because the last time I did 5N. So this time I was like, let me do 4N, because my hair got so light. My hair gets light very, very quickly. Like there's something about my hair that it doesn't hold on to color too much. And it's like practically with every type of hair color that I've used, it just doesn't last. So I wanted to go a little bit darker because I don't want it too light, and I feel like I prefer the darker look. You guys know that I prefer a darker look than light, so I went with 4NN. And what I'm gonna do is, because I already ordered my tape-in extensions, and the thing is with those tape-ins, like from the person I order from on Amazon, they don't give you, let me put you guys down. I feel like they don't have an in-between color from the color that I ordered and black. All they have is number 1, which is black. Then they have a 1B, which is off black. After I wash it a couple times, it's going to be so much lighter. And then they have the number 2, which is the one that I ordered. So I feel like they need a color in between, like this color. But what I'm gonna do is, if they arrive and I'm gonna wash my hair again, So if they arrive and they're still pretty light, which this is the color right here. Oh my god, that's so light. See, I don't like that. I feel like the camera picks it up so much more red, but when I look at it in person, it's not that red. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna color them myself, like with box dye, because it's just the extensions anyways, and just to darken it up a little bit. Like, I'm gonna be very careful and not do it too dark because I know my hair color is gonna fade. So that's what we're gonna have to do. Kind of annoying just because like I don't feel like dyeing the extensions, but I rather dye the extensions than have gone too light with my hair. That's what the update is. All right, I am starving. I think I'm gonna go to Cava for lunch. I feel like Cava's my new Chipotle. I had a thing with Chipotle where I was getting Chipotle like every week, but now it's all about Cava. So I told you guys a bunch of times that I ordered stuff from Misguided, and I was so excited, and I even filmed a try on haul. Like, I tried everything on with you guys, like on camera. And first of all, I haven't looked at the footage, but it looks kind of bad. And second of all, I hated like almost everything I got. Like, this is everything that I'm returning. I'll tell you guys how many items I'm actually returning. I'm returning 6 items. I've never had to return so many things, like maybe like 1 or 2 things, but never 6 items. Like, everything was just, it's so difficult ordering online, especially from I think they're based out of the UK or something, so their sizing is different, and I try my best to match it with me, but oh my god, it was such a fail. Everything was just not fitting cute. I'm so upset, you guys, because I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have so many cute things to wear, and I pretty much hated everything. Almost everything. But I'm actually gonna go to the, well, I'm gonna return this stuff, and then I'm gonna go to the mall and see if I find like some cute summer dresses or something. I need summer clothes. I have none.
Like me, love me, touch me right there. Yeah, I am stepping in the light, into the bright air. Yeah, you got my knees weak, my body out of control. You know I'll give you everything you ever want. You got my knees weak, my body out of control. I want you all to myself. Oh, and it's nothing like I ever felt. I never felt this before. I never felt this before. I never felt this before. And it's nothing like I ever felt. I never felt this before.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys which items I ended up taking from Forever 21, and I only ended up going to that store because after I tried all those things on, I was not in the mood to keep shopping. So I ended up getting the little white dress. It's super see-through, so I'll definitely have to wear something underneath. I'm gonna have to figure it out, and it really badly needs to get steamed. So I got the white dress, and it was $15.90. All right, if you want to focus, there we go. $15.90 for the little white dress. Then I also ended up getting this little dress, which is the same style as the white dress, where it like ties at the waist, and this one was $19.90. So I got that little dress. I kind of want to wear it today because it's pretty hot. I got the little black dress, which is only $9. Wow, that's a pretty good steal. I mean, it's a super basic little black dress, but I plan on wearing it with like a little jacket over it or something like that, or like an oversized jacket. Then when I was walking out, I didn't try this on, but this is the same exact, sorry, they're like mowing their lawn on the other side, but this is the same exact style as the black dress. So I figured I would get it in the pink color also because I need more color in my life, and it's only $9. It's a pretty good basic dress to wear when you're hot and don't have anything else to wear. You don't want to wear anything else. And then this was the last item that I got, which is the nude dress, which has little short sleeves, and this one was only $12.90. Come on, focus. Yeah, $12.90. So those were all the little, oh my god, I just realized I just got a bunch of dresses. Like all of the pantsuit, like jumpsuits, they just didn't fit right. Like they just didn't fit right. Like they would fit like perfect on the boobs, and then they would be super big around the waist. Like it just wasn't working for me, so the dresses were a go. But I kind of really wanted to find like really affordable little dresses that I could wear throughout the summer, just because I feel like dresses are so easy and you could just throw them on and you look like you tried. So that's what I got. Definitely need to find more cute stuff. Next time I have to try to find shorts and like cute tops, but for now we got some dresses, and I kind of want to wear one of them today because I'm gonna go out with the girls later. I ended up wearing this dress because it is super hot today. You know, I want to look cute, but I'm about to walk into the salon to get my tape-ins done. I ended up ordering, I forgot if I told you guys, but I ended up returning the light color that I ordered, which is the number 2, and I ended up ordering the 1B, which is off black. So I think this is going to be a really good match. So we're gonna go inside, get our hair done, and I'll be right back. Hair's done. I'm so happy. Oh my god, there's nothing like a brand new weave. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy with this color too. Like, I'm so annoying to keep talking about the damn hair color, but let me just try to explain it, because I know people are gonna be like, it looks like you went black again. I swear to god, this is not black hair. I dyed it 4NN. Black would have been the color 1, which is what I used to dye it. But this is literally what I wanted. I just wanted my dark brown hair, just not black, but still dark. And I think what happened before is that normally, and let me know if you guys are like this, but normally whenever I'm gonna do a change like with my hair, I like things to be kind of drastic. So I think initially I wanted to go really light, not really light, but like light brown, so that I could see the change. But in reality, this is what I wanted. I just wanted my dark hair, just not black. I am gonna try my best to never dye my hair black again, because it's just so harsh. I love the way black looks, but like it's such a process to remove the black that's not even worth it. And I'd rather just dye my hair like a dark brown like this and just keep the darkness going, instead of dyeing it black like I always end up doing. I mean, I was dyeing my hair black for the past year and I loved it, don't get me wrong, but I think I like this better. Oh my god, I did such a bad job with these lashes today. What is happening? It's like hanging on for dear life. I'm gonna go get some lash glue at home. I feel like I'm always talking about like hair and like getting my tape-ins done, but I swear to god, like I get so many questions all the time. That's why like whenever I do get my hair done or color, like I do like to share it, because I know like I'm just gonna get so many questions on it. So I try to share it when it's like fresh in my mind. Like probably a month from now, I'm gonna completely forget that I colored my hair 4NN, but it's here on the vlog in case I forget. I colored my hair 4NN. I actually have to go to the mall now. We, like my dad and my brother and me, we ordered my mom an iPad for her birthday, which is tomorrow, and it's also Father's Day tomorrow. So I have to go and pick up the iPad, and yeah, I really don't want to go to the mall on a Saturday in the middle of the afternoon, but whatever. We gotta do it for mom. Cheers! Yeah. Ooh, it's good. It's good. You want to try it? It's so good. That is good. Wow. I have a slight hangover. A baby hangover, if you will. I'm so tired, you guys. I went out with the girls last night, and all had was 2 margaritas, and that was just too much for me. Like, that's my limit, because I don't really drink like that. So that was a lot for me. And I'm so tired right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I take the day after I drink. I'm gonna show you guys my little hangover cure. It's these 2 products I take that make me feel so much better. Wow. They make me feel, they're helpful. They don't make you feel like 100% better, but they're helpful. I'm not hungover anymore. I feel great. But yesterday I told you guys I was gonna show you what I use when I have a little hangover. So I'm gonna go and grab it. So whenever I drink, the night before, well, the night that I'm drinking, I like to take 2 of these. This is activated charcoal, and it basically, it's kind of like for cleansing, because it absorbs anything bad you put into your body, like alcohol, or if you're eating anything unhealthy, it kind of absorbs that. It says you should take it 3 to 4 hours before or after meals. But yeah, just do your research. Like, you know, I'm not telling you to take this, just do your research. I ordered these from Amazon, and they came in a pack of 3. I wasn't able to get just 1 for some reason. Came in a pack of 3. So yeah, I'll take those the night that I'm drinking. I usually remember right before bed, so that's when I take it. But I feel like it works better if you take it like a few hours before you start drinking, and then right before bed. Then the morning of, when you wake up feeling hungover, I take these. This is called Blowfish for hangovers. This I also ordered from Amazon. It's a lemon flavor, and basically it's 2 tablets that dissolve in your water. I drink it with 16 ounces of water. I just put it like in my big water cup, and I drop the 2 tablets in. It dissolves right away, and I drink the entire thing, and it kind of works instantly. Like, I pretty much feel a lot better once I finish drinking my whole thing of water of this. And it brings 12 tablets altogether. You can take 1 or 2, but I take 2 because 2 of them come in 1 single packet like this. I feel like there's no real cure for a hangover, so no matter what you kind of do, that was creepy. No matter what you kind of do, you're gonna feel like shit. But this does help a little, and also eating carbs helps for me anyways. All right guys, I have spent the day cleaning and getting things together for this week. I'll tell you guys more about that in the next vlog, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.